Hello. Today I want to teach you how to log in to your Office 365 account. As a student at Elkhart ISD, you have an Office 365 account that will allow you to do anything from get email messages to do Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Sway, all kinds of options. But you have to know how to get there. So that's what this lesson is for. The easiest way to get to Office 365 is to go to the Elkhart ISD webpage, www.elkhartisd.org. Then you will need to choose Students and scroll down until you find where it says Student Email. Then you're going to log in to the account with your first name, last name, at student.elkhartisd.org. Now, I know that mine that I'm typing in doesn't look like that, but yours is your first name, last name, at student.elkhartisd.org. That's your username. And your password is your first initial, last initial, and your student ID number. And then you click Sign In. And it will ask you if you want it to basically remember you. So if you tell it to stay signed in, then it will remember you when you sit down at the computer to log in again. Now, if you're using a public computer, you might not want to have it remember you. So again, consider if it's your personal computer and only you use it, you can choose yes. If it's a public computer that other people might be using it, you might not want it to stay signed into your account, so you could choose no. It's up to you. Then once you get signed in, here are some apps that are available within Office 365. Outlook is email. OneDrive is where your files are stored out in the cloud. Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of these are available online. So when I say Word, you're actually creating a document that is out in the cloud that you can access from any device that is connected to the internet. Same thing goes for Excel and PowerPoint. OneNote is a great place for storing notes. SharePoint, Teams, Sway is a great way to create web pages. If you want to create a web page, you can create with Sway. All apps, if you go there, notice that you've got calendar, forms, all kinds of things here. So you have a lot of different options. And if you keep scrolling down, you'll even see more options like Flipgrid and Teams and Tasks. And there are many, many options. But most people just access the basic Office 365 apps. So once you're in Office 365, basically you just have to choose what it is you want to do, click it, and you're ready to go. Remember that when you're using Office 365, you are actually working out in the cloud. So every single time you type a letter or anything that you might put into a presentation or a Word document or what have you, it is automatically being saved on your cloud in OneDrive, and you have unlimited storage on OneDrive. So make sure you name the files appropriately, whatever it is that you're doing. Don't leave it named, in this case, Document 18. Maybe I'm going to name it Example 2020. And then I'm ready, and every single time I start typing or doing whatever, it automatically saves for me. And I can find that again once I exit out of the tab. I can find it back under Recent, or I can go into Word and see it there. So there are, you can see Example 2020. It took it a minute to change that file name, but there it sits. I can get it that way, or I can go into OneDrive and access all of my files from there. So pretty much, just let me sign back in here. There we go. Pretty much that's Office 365. I hope this helps you have a little bit better understanding of Office 365. Have a wonderful day.